You've tried everything, the clarifying shampoos, the dry shampoo, washing your hair every single day. But by noon, it's already greasy, flat, and lifeless. You think you have oily hair. But what if I told you that's a myth? The problem isn't your hair, and it's not even the oil itself. The real problem is what you've been doing to your scalp for years. Scalp oil isn't the enemy. It's how we've mismanaged it that's destroying your hair health. Let's reframe this. Your scalp produces oil, called sebum, for a reason. It's your body's natural conditioner. It protects your hair, keeps it hydrated, gives it a healthy shine, and even has antimicrobial properties. It's not dirt. It's a feature, not a bug. The goal should never be to eliminate it completely. Here's the vicious cycle you're trapped in. You use a harsh, stripping shampoo to nuke the oil. Your scalp, feeling dry and defenseless, goes into panic mode and overproduces oil to compensate. So you wake up with even more oil than before. So you wash again and again. You've trained your scalp to be an oil-producing factory. You're not oily, you're reactive. So if the oil itself isn't the problem, what is? I call them the 3 oil agitators. Agitator number 1. Harsh surfactants. Sulfates, SLS, SLEs, are like detergent for your hair. They strip everything, forcing that rebound oil production. Agitator number 2. Product buildup. Dry shampoos, stylers, and silicones create a layer of gunk on your scalp. This mixes with sebum, creating a thick, waxy, pore-clogging paste that can lead to flaking and inflammation. Agitator number 3. Physical irritation. Scrubbing your scalp with nails, using boiling hot water, and rough brushing all stimulate blood flow. And, you guessed it, can stimulate more oil production. Breaking the cycle requires a reset. Here is your 3-step protocol. Step 1. Transition to a gentle cleanser. Switch to a sulfate-free shampoo. Your hair might feel waxy for 1 to 2 weeks. This is the transition period as your scalp recalibrates. Stick with it. Step 2. Wash smarter. Use lukewarm water. Massage your scalp with your fingertips, not nails, for 60 seconds to break up buildup without irritation. Double shampoo if needed. First wash gets the buildup, second wash cleanses the scalp. Step 3. Extend your washes. This is the hardest but most crucial part. Push your washes by an extra 12-24 hours. Use a satin scrunchie or a hat on day 2 hair. You are teaching your scalp it doesn't need to panic. This sounds crazy, but it works. 30 minutes before you shower, apply a light, non-comedogenic oil like jojoba to your dry scalp. Why? It's like the oil cleansing method for your face. This pre-shampoo oil helps to dissolve and loosen the waxy buildup of sebum and products, allowing your gentle shampoo to clean more effectively without sending your scalp into a panic. It satisfies your scalp's need for oil, so it doesn't overcompensate later. When you stop the war on oil, everything changes. Your scalp calms down. Oil production normalizes. Your washes last longer. But most importantly, you create a healthy environment for hair growth. Reduced inflammation and unclogged follicles mean your hair can actually grow to its full potential. You're not just fixing greasy hair, you're building the foundation for your best hair ever. Scalp oil was never your problem. The war you were waging on it was. It's time to end the fight and start working with your body's natural biology. If this reframe just changed everything for you, let me know in the comments by typing Scalp Reset. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with a friend who's stuck in the same cycle. Subscribe for more no BS beauty science. Your healthiest hair is waiting.